Good here. Today is Monday, February 9th, 2026. All right, so the market just opened up pretty much, and we already we went long here on this. We went long on this position. Really went long, but trying to understand the reason why we went long. Um, so you can see yesterday on Friday was a very bullish day. So uh, I'm expecting the continuation of this bullish trend. That is what I'm expecting. uh, but looking at it now, looking back at it, I think this might actually be. I mean, and if you drop down to a lower time frame, really, honestly, it doesn't look that bullish. Just thinking about it now, it really doesn't look that bullish. But I was expecting a continuation of the uptrend, and as you can see, is not what we're getting right now. So it's not that bullish, and clearly right now it's trending down. So what I should be doing here is going short and not going long, right? So I I'm pretty much against trend, and I know that right now. I know that right away that I'm against trend. So I have to be taking out this position. I thought it was gonna be an uptrend day. That is what I thought. Looking at the daily time frame, you would think it would be a bullish day. But if you look at it on the intraday price action, if you look at the lower time frames, it doesn't say that it's gonna be bullish. It doesn't say that, right? In fact, it says it's gonna be bearish, right? So I think that looking at the 1 hour chart, looking at all that stuff, honestly, I'm beginning to think, uh, well, this has to close first. We want this to close. So I like to see this candle close. If it closes green, then I will still hold this. Then it might be, to me, it might mean that it could be a bullish trend. But if this closes red, then I have to get out with a loss, right? So if this 1 hour candle ever closes red, then I have to jump out for that loss. But the reason why I went into this trade is I thought that today was gonna be a bullish day. That's what I thought, and I made that decision based on the daily time frame. That is why that is how I made that decision. That's the reason why I made that decision. But looking at this, I'm only going in one contract because again, this is too early. Really, this is too early. If this candle flips and closes red, I have to get out, right? So I really have to get out of that trade if he ever closes red. Um, then I know it might actually be a red day. Uh, in that case, it means I would have. It means it would mean that I actually got in early, right? So indeed, I did get in early, but I did get in early, indeed, thinking about it, and that is because there's no, like, this is the first day of the week, right? And there's still uncertainty in the market. There's still lack of clarity in the market. So I should not have gotten in on this market. I should have waited to see what will happen before I can get in. So in that sense, it looks like I did get in quite too early. If this candle ever closes red, even the 15-minute candle, if it ever closes red, actually, if it closes red, that's fine. But if the red comes all the way down here and the 1 hour closes red, then that is not good. It means I have to get out, right? So looking at this position, my stop loss is just right here on the low of this 1 hour candle. If anything goes wrong, then yeah, that was my stop loss. It's quite a huge risk for, I guess in terms of it's quite a huge risk, but in terms of the risk to reward, is not that bad, honestly, thinking about it. So that's my plan for today. If it flips red, I may jump in on the parade on this 1 hour candle, right? So, but before I jump in, I may actually want to see, I may actually have to get more clarity on the price action because right now it is really all over the place. In that, I would say, it's really all over the place. Yeah, it is really all over the place. All right. So if it's gonna be a bullish day, we want to see a continuation to the upside. But if it's gonna be a bearish day, what you would see is really so wait and see. All right. As long as this candle closes green, if the next one closes red, which means, but it, before that would happen, my stop loss is already right down here. So if it comes all the way down there, then you know I'm gonna be getting out. Honestly, I'm gonna be getting out, and it might actually mean that I may not I may not even get back in right away or trying to go short. I may have to just kind of stay out. So right now it has closed. The candle has closed green, right? So if for whatever reason this candle now starts coming down here, then this is my stop loss. I have to get out. It means I'm wrong for the day. It means I'm wrong on my assessment. It's as simple as that. Doesn't don't have to complicate that. It's just as simple as that, right? So, but I mean, again, looking at it on the daily, it does look bearish on the daily. It does in a way look bearish, right? So there's weakness in it on the daily, right? But if you scroll down to the 15 minutes, sorry, the 1 hour chart, it looks a little bit, bullish, I guess. So let's see what happens here. Um, 26. All right, so it looks like it's pushing up now. I want to see this continue to push up, and when I see this continue to push up, this is still, honestly, this is still, I mean, on the high time frame, you can see it's still on the daily time frame. This is really bearish. Even you can see that even on the 1 hour time frame, right? So you can see like this is has been trending down, and you can see that on the 1 hour time frame. So actually, this is not looking to me. This is not looking like anything near a bullish day. It's not even looking like it. It's not even looking like it. It's not. It doesn't. The price action itself doesn't feel that way, right? So, um, I'm thinking if I should jump out of this trade or let the trade play out, because this right here is the stop. I'm really thinking about it, but I think I'm just gonna let it be and let this thing kind of play out. The stop right here for me would be about $30 the stop. So I'll let that play out. I'm just gonna let that play out. If it stops me out, then that's fine. It stops me out. Right. So at least then I know that my analysis is wrong. I cannot be right all the time. There's gonna be days where I'm wrong, right? So let's see. I just wanna, instead of jumping out, that is not a good habit. I wanna see if I'm wrong. Then let the price action tell me that, right? So the stop loss is just right over there, right over there. 17. So do that 17 then. So also notice how slow the price action is, right? See how slow it is, how slow it is moving up. It's not compared to Friday or even last week, how fast the price action was. Now this is slower, right? So you can see what's going on. So okay, right? So it's going up. At least it's going up. I don't know if I don't trust this action. I don't trust this price action. So let's see if it proves to us that today is gonna be a bullish day. Let's see if it proves that to us, right? All right. So this is I think this is good. Yeah, this is positive stuff. It's quite positive indeed. Yep, this is positive. Yeah, this is good. Let's see. So let's go. NASDAQ is also pushing up too. So let's go. This is positive, right? I like that. So let's go. Uh, let's go. I don't want to add in more contracts. I don't want to do that. I just really don't. Uh, you know, my confidence level in the trade is not. It's not high. I would say that for sure. All right. So just beautiful, quite beautiful. I would say beautiful. Okay, I may actually add more. I think I may add more to this trade. I'm like right now. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Um, yeah, I may add more to this trade. I'm loving what I'm seeing for sure. So it's now where am I gonna add it to? Where is it gonna be added? So I like what I'm seeing. I really do like what I'm seeing right now. So where am I gonna add that? I don't know, but I like what I'm seeing right now. There's more confidence here now. Yeah, I do like what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, I do like what I'm seeing, and I like to add one or two more contracts there. Actually, just one contract, to be honest. Hmm. So there's that. Oh, there's only that. Yeah, I do like what I'm seeing, and I like to add one more contract. Yeah, I do have more confidence in this. I have more confidence in this trade now than I did a few minutes ago. Uh, yeah, I do have more confidence in this trade now. Yeah, my entry is not even good. This entry is pretty bad, very bad. But $50. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, look at how slow price is moving today. Um, that's totally fine. I still want to add one more contract. Um, yeah, I still want to add one more contract. I want to add one more contract. I do want to add one more contract. I don't know if I should add it right here now. I'll just wait for that candle to close up. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close up. Uh, that this candle on 50 minutes to close up, so we can see what happens there. Right. Yeah, my entry point is way too high. This is way too on the top side. And all it tells me is that it was pretty much an emotional entry, entering based on formal. That was that entry there. As you can see, is pretty high, and I don't like that. I really don't like that. All right, so I'll wait for this candle to close up there before I can enter my second position. So NASDAQ is also pushing up to, this is good for pretty much following the S&P. So then it's pushing up to the, it's pretty much what S&P is doing is pretty much what NASDAQ is doing. So that's good. Because I would be worried if both of them are doing different things. If S&P is going up and Nasdaq is going down, I would be worried for sure. All right, I want this candle to close green before I can think about going up, adding more contract there. All right, 1 minute to close for that candle. All right, so this candle is gonna close in 1 minute now. So let's see what happens there. Um, it closes there, then yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna add one more here. That's fine. I'm gonna add one more. See what happens there. Yeah, I'm loving it. Let's go. 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 I want to see that push up. Let's go. 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 I love it. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. 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 It's beauty. It's beauty. 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 Beautiful. I love it. Let's go. You know, I was thinking of trading this with options today instead of trading with a small account. But for some reason, uh, I didn't like what I was seeing. I wasn't convinced of this price action. As you can see, I only have two contracts. I should be going with three contracts. But because I was not convinced, I wasn't happy with what I was seeing. That's primarily the reason why that I just decided not to trade the options because with options, I think I probably would have made more money than I would make with this one, but still fine. This is still the process, still in the process. That's fine. There's no need to FOMO. There's always gonna be tomorrow. There's always gonna be trade. Uh, You just have to understand that and not try to you know trade based on emotions. And if you do that, that is not good, right? So all right, so let's see this continue pushing up there, hoping that it doesn't fall apart. That's what I'm hoping on, and that this continues pushing up there. So you can see, if you notice here, you begin to see that if you come on the 1 hour chart, you begin to see that the high that was this high here, the market opened. It might be a source of resistance for this trend. It might actually be that, possibly too, before that, there might actually be some form of resistance, right? So I have to think about that. I have to uh, put that into consideration on where I want to take profits, right? So something that I have to think about. And now I'm already thinking, where would my profits be? Where would my profits points be? Um, well, I mean, I can take profits just right here at the top here, or even before that, right? Or even before that. I'm thinking of adding more contracts here, but honestly, man, this is, uh, you know, yeah, I'm really thinking of doing that. Um, but am I now trading based on emotion, or am I trading based on based on discipline and principle and everything, right? So let me add one more here. Yeah, let me add one more. I'm gonna have to take that out at some point, because that is way too much risk for me, right? So that this position right here, this last one that I added is way too much risk. So yeah, I just have to keep that in mind, right? So um, yeah, let's go, 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 let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Let's 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 go. Honestly, I'm thinking it might even be uh, very, very reasonable, in my opinion, to put a stop loss on there right now, because the stop point was right here previously, right? So I wanted to put a stop loss here, and I think I'm gonna do that just because, just because, right? Um, I don't know if there's gonna be news or whatnot, and I don't want to trade based on emotion. I want to trade based on pure reasoning. Um, right, so let's go. I think I'm gonna put it here. 6393.50. I don't worry about that. Should I just pay attention to what's going on? Okay, let me just pay attention to what's going on. I'm gonna put it there. It's gonna begin to kind of push down a little bit here. Not sure why that is happening, but um, I don't know why that's happening, but I see. Um, so watching this. Yeah, this is one of the reasons why I don't like putting stop losses, because if I did put a stop loss, if it comes down here, I might top it out and just keep on going up, right? So the only thing I'm worried about is if there's like crazy move where it dumps down without any warning, right? Right. That's the only thing I'm worried about, because then this is this account can't handle it, right? So the account can't handle it. This is where the stop loss will be. So if it does that, this account can't handle this three contracts. No, it cannot handle it. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Push up, push up, push up. Yeah, it's the price action itself is pretty weak, right? So today is it's a green day, yes, but there's no strength in it, right? There's really no strength in it, which is kind of making me worried though, because there's really no strength in this. All right, I'm not even sure what that it is. What is going on? Yeah, what is this? Yeah, what is this? Yeah, what is that? Like, what is this? What? What is that? Whoa, what is that? I never seen this one before. Yeah, what is that? What is that? Is it coming back up now or what? Yeah, honestly, I'm not very comfortable with this price action. I'm really not comfortable with the price action at all. I'm not comfortable with it. Not comfortable with the price action. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. All right. Is it pushing up or what is it doing? Man, this is pretty scary. I must say that. Okay, it's pushing up back up now. Yeah, this is. All right, lovely. This is lovely now. Loving this more. So let's go. 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 This will be the first contract that I'm gonna take out there because of the risk. It's very, 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 very. It's very, very high there. I think I may probably take out two contracts and let the rest kind of run just to see what happens there. Two contracts and let one contract kind of run its due course. I don't see any reason why I should be. Just beautiful. This is beautiful, beautiful, lovely. Um, I was gonna say I don't see any reason why this contract right here. I think is just way too risky. I should have taken that out, and I'm gonna be doing that because I'm gonna be doing that. I don't see any reason why I should uh, hold on to that. We had the entry point is not really clean. It's not in terms of the risk. It's not quite. Yeah, not even right there. Mm. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. Um, I'm going to take this out. Uh, I don't like how risky that position is. I'm gonna take that out. I don't like that risky position there, and I might as well take out one contract there and let the other one kind of run through and see what happens. Beautiful. It's pushing up nicely now. Yeah, that's fine. I had to take this out. That's totally fine. Um, yeah, lovely. And honestly, I'm thinking of taking out this one here or this one here. I'm not sure. I'm thinking this one here. Uh, but I'm not really thinking of taking everything out, honestly. I mean, why shouldn't I take everything out? Right, beautiful. Push up. The push up that's good. So I wonder if it will continue doing that. The push up is good. Beautiful. 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 What is this? It's beautiful. Um, this is really beautiful. 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 I think I'm gonna take out one of these. So this one, uh, I'm thinking of taking that everything out. Okay, so I wasn't wrong in my assessment that it's gonna be a green day. I wasn't wrong on that, right? So at least this price action now proves it to me, right? I wasn't wrong on that assessment. Um, However, I feel like I should take this out and wait for for a pullback to get in again. A few more contracts, but yeah, I think I should be doing that. I think I should be doing that. I wanted to hold I wanted to hold this just to see what happens, right? Just to see if there could be more if there could be more further upside. I just wanted to hold that there. I don't know if it's a good plan to be doing that, right? So if I do that, there's gonna be more reward for sure. But I think it might pull back before going any further, right? I think it might pull back, right? So I'm thinking if I should take that out, or if I should take that out because this is definitely going to be pulling back, right? So uh, yeah, so it means that I took out this contract way too early, right? So, but I mean, I wasn't comfortable, right? That's the issue. I wasn't comfortable. Um, should I take it out? I'll just wait and hold it and wait for it this to run. But I mean, I don't think this is gonna run any more further than it has done now. There's gonna be a pullback before it goes anywhere. Actually, I'm gonna take this. I think I wanna take this. Um, and if it does pull back again, I can get in, right? So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. So I'm gonna get in if it pulls back again, and if it doesn't pull back again, that's fine. But let me see if there's a pullback, then I will get in. I will get in one more contract if there's a pullback. Man, what a beautiful day! What a beautiful day! What a beautiful day! Yeah, in that regard, and I wish that I got in on the options contract too, because the options contract would have been beautiful trade too. Wow, wow. Yeah, so you see it's pulling back now. So yeah, I'm okay. I'm happy that I got out there, so I can still get in. Uh, but I think that because you can see this is like pretty much close to that top, so there's gonna be a resistance there at some point. So yeah, I'm getting out there. If it gives me the opportunity to get in again, I'm gonna get in again. But this time around, I'm just gonna be just one contract. That's what I'm gonna be getting on with one contract. But this is beautiful. So it's three trades so far. So it's what is it? 20, 20. So almost $40. $40 in profit. That is beautiful. That is really beautiful. $40 in profit is beautiful. Yeah, so I'll wait for the pullback. If I get that, then I'm gonna and try and get in more. If I don't get that, then I'm not gonna worry about anything, right? Then this probably will be the end of the day for me in whatever case. Yeah, so I wasn't wrong when I thought that today would be a bullish day. I wasn't wrong in that regard. But of course, the market hasn't yet closed, right? So as you can see, it has this tail on it. It could still pull back again. It could 100% do that, right? So it could still pull back again. Yeah, so I want to see a pullback. If I don't see that, if I see that, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna enter a long. If I don't see that, then I may not worry about anything. Then it might be the end of the day for me. Today might be, right. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. I love this trade. I love it. I love this trade, and my confidence is kind of going up. Again, like I said, I wanted to trade my options account, uh, but but the pre-market price action it wasn't very clear to me. It wasn't very clear. I still had doubts, so yeah, that's why I did not trade that, because I would really love to trade that instead of trading this account today. I would have loved to trade my options account today instead. Man, this is lovely. This is Pretty lovely. This is lovely. This is a lovely trade. I love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So it was 8 points from here, or it was almost 8 points from this here, from here to here, right? That's a lot, right? That's a lot, for a small account. That's a lot. So I want to see if I can see a reversal again. I may get in. So put that there. This is the start of the trading day. So I want to see a reversal. So you can see that. I want to see that. And if it comes anywhere near 23.6, I'm going to get in again. But now I've already made my profits. I don't have to, you know. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful price action, a lovely price action. It's beautiful. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's beautiful. And it's still going up, isn't it? It's beautiful. Still going up. Yeah. I'm totally okay. I don't really care what it does. Well, I mean, if it goes up, I'm not gonna be chasing it. Um, I want to see it pull back a little bit before I can, think about going long. But probably should have held onto my one contract there if I'm not mistaken. But that's fine. It's profit. Profit is profit. So I'll take that. There's always gonna be trade. Always gonna be trade. So keeping that in mind, I don't have to go start chasing, trying to force trades. So yeah. So I want to see a pullback. Just wait for that to happen. If it does not happen, it looks like it's already happening here. So let's wait. So the news this morning. So busy week ahead of earnings, economic data ahead. Investors are preparing for a busy week of earnings report and the release of economic data that will factor into the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates. When is that happening? That's probably next month for the interest rate, the U.S. interest rate. FOMC is March 17. The earnings calendar includes reports from iconic American brands such as McDonald's, Coca-Cola Company, and Ford Motor Company, as well as CVS Health, AstraZeneca, T-Mobile, Robinhood, Coinbase, Spotify, and Airbnb, among many others. The January job report is scheduled for release on Wednesday morning, while the consumer price index is due on Friday. So there's quite a lot of stuff going on today, right? Going on this week. The CPI and the January job reports. The Fed, which has a dual mandate to maintain price stability while promoting maximum employment, will be watching this data closely. Novo Nordisk stop gains as Hims and Has pulls weight loss. here. So Novo Nordisk is up. Hims and has Hims stocks are down. Why is that? Hims and has said over the weekend that it will stop offering its compounded semaglutide pill just days after launching the product. The pill was marketed as having the same active ingredients as Novo's Wegovy pill that received FDA approval in December. The FDA said on Friday that it planned to take decisive steps to restrict the use of GLP-1 active ingredients in compounded versions of the popular weight loss medication, citing Hims and Hers by name in the statement. So Novo Nordisk on Monday announced a lawsuit against Hims and Hers, saying it is asking a court to permanently ban Hims from selling unapproved compounded drugs that infringe on our patents, and it's seeking to recover damages. That's crazy. So Kroger rises on naming of new CEO. This stock is not something that I've not looked at this stock in a long time. Kroger stock is getting ground this morning following news the grocery chain giant has hired former Walmart executive Greg Foran to be its CEO. So that's why it's getting ground. ST Microelectronics stock jumps on Amazon deal. That's pretty much all the news here today. It's beautiful, beautiful day for me indeed. What's gold doing? Gold is trending up, just like the market in general. Gold is up. All right. Wow, this is still going up. All right, I'm just gonna step out here because this can go pretty much wherever it wants. I'm gonna step out and just kind of have to deal with some things. Yeah, it's a beautiful day for me though. I've already taken my profits and I'm happy with that. So that's perfect. I'll still be watching if it comes down, then I will still take another trade. Not sure. Right, so we'll still keep on watching this. still keeping an eye on this trade. Uh, ooh. Uh, Still pushing up there. Interesting. Beautiful trade though. Yeah, it's still pushing up. Hmm. Nice. Yeah, nice, but I'm not gonna get in. No, I'm not gonna get in this trade. Hmm. Oh, that's beautiful, man. This is something else though. Now the strength is picking up now in this in the chart. Okay, it's good to know that. interesting. Still going up. So from pretty much where I got out to where it is right now, it's just about 5 more points, or roughly about $6. I guess $5 6, which I'm not really mad about that. I shouldn't be mad about that for sure, because there's always gonna be a pullback, and if there's no pullback, that's fine. That's totally fine. I was actually thinking that pullback was gonna happen uh, right now, but well, at least was gonna happen at this point, but I was wrong on that. It's totally fine, absolutely totally fine. And look at this, still going up. Yeah, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be taking any more trades because I was hoping that I would get it pulled back uh, there before taking more trade before the continuation up. But at this point, I don't think I'm gonna try. And I don't know if I wanna open more trades. I really don't know that, right? So hmm. Oh yeah, it's still pushing up. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Still pushing up. That's fine. And to me, actually, I'm beginning to think it looks like the volatility in the market is just beginning to die off a little bit. It just looks like it. Mm. It is a beautiful price action today. Lovely. Might actually go up more before having that reversal. Looks like it's gonna keep on going more. I don't know. I still want to get into this trade. I still want to jump into this trade, and um, but I don't know. So from the point where I got out to where it is right now is just about 8 points. So that's $8 more in profit that I could, or well, 9 points. So $9 more in profit that I could have taken, right? Uh, but that's not bad at all. I would be mad if it was like 20 points or something like that, right? see if this might be that reversal we were talking about, right? So let's see if it is. And I just needed to get somewhere down here. Even down here would better. So let's see if it does that. Yeah, I'm just gonna be waiting. Uh, you know, I don't have to uh, try and force a trade because I already had a trade. I already had a good trade, so I don't have to force that. so there's nothing here really. I may have to call it a bit early today because there's really nothing here for me to be doing. The pullback I was waiting to get, I did not get that. Right, so you can see on the 15-minute chart that the range, the trend now has now is now drying up. So yeah, I'll just wait, see what happens. just want to see what gold is doing. What's gold? What is gold doing? BTC. Let's see what BTC is doing. BTC on the daily chart, still weak there. What is gold doing? Gold is quite bullish. Right, yeah, nice. Good. Man, look at gold. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. Right, beautiful. All right. Okay. Um, there's nothing still going on here. It's still pushing up the. Well, I'm actually looking at gold. Aren't I? Yeah, I'm looking at gold. So come back to US. So it's still pushing up there, and there has been no reversal, none whatsoever. And I'm not gonna be going long here again. I think I'm just probably done for today. I'm happy, I mean, I made almost $40 today. Well, I'm $40 today. That's pretty good. That's pretty good for a small account. That's almost, that's pretty good for a small account in terms of percentage. $40, it was 260. So like it's more than 10% gain today alone. That's good. 10% gain is good. More than that is good. That's really good. Almost 20% in gain. That's really good. Yeah, that's really good. So there's no setup here. From the point where I sold to this point, it's only about 7 to 8 points, or maybe 9 points, which is nothing. It's really nothing, right? So it's really nothing, and I'm happy that I actually got out there. So I'm not missing anything, right? I'm totally not missing anything. Oh, somebody just lost 7 million in a trade. Lost 7 million. That's crazy. Yeah, lost 7 million trying to short gold. Gold has been gold has been ripping up. Has been going up. Okay, all right. I think I'm gonna be ending the stream here. This is this market is pretty much shooting up, shooting up nonstop. There has been no retracement whatsoever. It's just like pretty much going up. I'm missing nothing here. I've already made my trade. I'm absolutely happy for today, and I don't want to be. I don't want to add more. I think I'm pretty much good for the day, right? Okay, all right. So just gonna record my trades here. Still pushing up. Still pushing up there. Still pushing up. Still pushing up. It's good. It's not bad. It's good. Still pushing up. Still pushing up there. Nice. Absolutely nice. Nice. I think it was here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay, all right. What is what it is. this has to be my last trade for today. Has to be that. Oh, 10, 15. 3 points. 6, that's right. And this one is what? 6951.85. 6956. So what is that? Oh, fine. Yeah, it's still going up. All right, this is it. It doesn't look like this is coming down. This is gonna be staying up there. This is what it looks like to me. Yeah, it's just pretty much staying up there. I mean, if you look at the daily chart, if you look at the daily chart, I mean, look at, so you can see what it looks like, right? So it's it's getting pretty obvious now what that is. Now tomorrow, honestly, I'm not sure what tomorrow might be, but tomorrow I may have to be careful tomorrow because really not sure what it's gonna be, right? So, but nonetheless, this is what it is. All right, so I'm gonna be ending this stream here today. This is it for today.